Where is that stupid gate man? Adamu! Adamu! What is this? Adamu! Where is Adamu? Adamu! Adamu!
You don't use your hand buy general market for yourself. Madam, they blow her since. Go open gate for Madam.
Hey, Madam, they blow her. Okay, well, I don't die. I don't die. Which guy sleep? Sleep like this. Which guy sleep? Sleep.
Adam, come here. Where have you been?
Madam, wallahi na stupid sleep. I carry me and sleep. I dey think of me. I dey think of myself. I beg, make I no fire me.
I dey think of you. I dey think of myself.
You are.
You left me standing there for minutes.
Madam.
You know what? You are fired.
Hey, madam, I beg no fire me.
Pack your things. You will leave this house as soon as my husband returns.
Where you Allah? Make I no fire me. I go kill them for my people, for my village. Make I help me, I beg for madam. Make I help me, I beg for madam. Make madam no fire me.
Easy, make madam don't fire me. I go add pepper on top your madam. I go tell madam say you don't disturb me for this house. You go see her.
No tell her. No tell her. Lizzie. No, I don't go pepper. I don't go crayfish. No. I don't die. I don't go pepper for this kind of thing. I know even I don't go crayfish. Madam, I beg no fire me. What did I go do? Well, I go down for this place. I don't go come out. Madam, I don't die. I don't kill me. Oh, you Allah. Hey, Allah. Hey. Madam, I beg you. Madam, no fire me. Where I go? I don't get another place where I go. Hey, you.
Please forgive me for yesterday's incident. At least I'm happy that he's gone. Let me face my life. Did my husband come back this afternoon?
No, ma, it was only his friend that came.
His friend? You mean our visitor? Okay, where is he?
In his room, ma.
Where is my son?
He's sleeping.
Okay. Get my lunch ready. I'll be there in a moment. What are you still doing here? I am talking to you. You left in the morning. Why are you back?
I have changed my mind.
Ikenna, don't dare me. Don't! We had an agreement.
Well, somehow, yes, we had an agreement, but I suddenly realized that I cannot leave in a hurry after the lovemaking. It was...
What do you take me for? A fool?
No, Kim.
Don't touch me. Take your things and leave.
Okay. But before then, can you tell me about the 2 months pregnancy you had for me before I left the country?
You must be out of your senses if you think I kept the pregnancy. Take your things and leave my house.
Daniel, it is very foolish of you to have brought in a man to live with you and your wife under the same roof. That is absurd. What do you expect?
Kenna has been my friend. Kenna Waronsubu is a nice person. I'm just trying to help him because of what we shared in the past.
As you said, he's your friend and you want to help that your friend. You shouldn't be in this house with your wife.
Mama, Ikenna is not bad. He's a good person.
Daniel, I can't want more results, whether he is bad or good. What I'm saying is, if you really want to help this your good friend, rent an apartment for him.
God bless you, Mama.
Mama, I've told my wife, let's give Ikenna a little time. He will soon pack out. He's not disturbing us. Or rather me, he's not disturbing me. So I don't see the reason why I should bother myself over that.
Daniel, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Listen to Mama, she has said it all.
Rent an apartment for your friend. Simple. Asaleana.
And I said no. So you have all the time in the whole world to go call Mama and start telling her about my friend.
Daniel!
Mama, excuse me. I am the man of this house and my decision is final. I would not love to do anything that would make him tag me a bad person. This person we were talking about helped me so much in the city when I was homeless. Mama, please, I wouldn't want anyone to raise this issue again. Please.
Oh.
Okay. You please your friend and displease your family.
Yo, my man, what's up now? It's been a long time.
No, my brother, a long time, a long time.
Huh. So you were truly in dance and so we came.
Oh yes, but I didn't want to come out because Dan already told me how to hook up with you.
Okay, it's okay. So since you came, how is life, How is everything?
Boy, it's not been easy, I won't lie, man. Since I came back from Yankee, man, Mukitiliti, Okaforozo. That's the blindfolded by penury. Let me put it this way, no money, nothing.
Okay. Well, I wasn't surprised, but though I was surprised, I never knew you knew Dan, So.
Oh no, Dan, my homeboy now. Tete, right from the university.
Oh.
Yeah, of course. Let me be flexing like you guys, please.
Ikenna. How many times did I call you? Ikenna, are you sure you can walk through the narrow way of wealth?
Can I pass or can I somersault?
Really, you can somersault?
So I can somersault in the narrow. No.
Alright, no problem. You're my friend and brother, okay? Okay. Let's go to somewhere and chill, take some drinks and talk about this. You can't just talk it in this car, okay? You understand?
Okay, you say so.
Yeah.
Sin is believing, but my canina fuso. Abura makonya puri si memmo no bugo. Isi adirama, isi achaka.
Greetings, Grandmaster. May you live long. Brotherhood of the night. Brotherhood of night. Forever.
Daniel, what brought you here?
Grandmaster, I came to make an appeal.
Go ahead.
Please, Grandmaster. Please. accept my appeal. I cannot use my wife for the proposal.
Speak no more before you incur the wrath of God or brotherhood upon yourself. Go. Your request is not accepted.
Please, I can offer...
One more word from you, you will regret coming here. Daniel, go and do as you were told.
Brotherhood of night.
Go!
Brotherhood of night.
Go!
Brotherhood of night.
Get your hands off me. Over my dead body will I allow you to touch my body again. The first one was a mistake. Now get out.
Do you think he loves you more than I do?
He loves me more than any man can love me. Ikenna, you need to leave this room before my husband comes back.
I'm not afraid of the man you call your husband.
Ikenna, what do you want from me? There are thousands, millions of pretty girls out there. Just pick one and allow me to enjoy my marriage, please.
Well, I don't want them. It's your want. And I'm sure you still love me.
No, I hate you. I-H-A-T-E, hate you. Now get out.
Okay, fine. If that's how you want it. Dan will be interested to know of the beautiful moments we had on his matrimonial bed.
No. I will not allow you blackmail me again. Not this time, no.
Well, girl, this is not an empty threat. I have all the records here. Right on my phone. Recording you while you're mourning. You will love to see it. Recorded.
Eba na cho progressive, ana chuego, kandi keep emwa. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi, como baisi jini na dakaka. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi, como baisi jini na dakaka. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi. Como baisi jini na dakaka. Double wahala, mani bamba trouble. Double wahala behind me, seta. Adikwa na jenda. See double wahala, mani bamba trouble. For the little one, behind me, seta. Adikwa na jenda. Kwa double wahala, mani bamba trouble. Kapo double trouble behind me, seta. Adikwa na jenda.
What do you think you're doing with my phone?
Don't come close to me. I must delete that video clip.
Well, don't be too fast. The video clips are everywhere. My laptop, memory card, hard disks, name it. So go ahead, delete it.
You are very wicked.
Oh yes, I know.
And I promise you will never get away with this. Never.
Can I have my phone, please?
Take your phone and get out.
You know what? I think I'm in the mood. I want to have it again.
Don't touch me! Get out!
You see, the more you do all these things, the more deeply I fall in love with you.
Listen, if you don't leave this minute, I will scream. I will shout and I mean it. Get out!
Don't worry, I can help you shout or scream so Dan can hear you, right? Everyone can hear you. And also, know about the clip I have on my phone. You know, those boogie down together with us. What do you think about it? Come on, girl, don't waste my time. Let's get started.
Don't.
Hey, you stop all this. Let's get to work.
Don't. I will shout. Just get out.
Okay. Peacefully. Why not? Oh, damn. Okay, I'm right here waiting for you. Oh. No leave, no transfer.
This is fresh palm wine. Very sweet. Anybody who doesn't want to enjoy himself or herself, that's their own cup of tea. Me, I'm enjoying my own cup of palm wine. Hey! Dan, your money is my money. We'll be enjoying and eating the money together.
Aduka number.
Rosa. Rosa, you're welcome.
Come to collect my son's money.
I don't understand.
Would you told me that you went to the city and lied that she wants some money?
That was not how it happened.
I don't want to know how it happened. Just go into the house, get that money and give it to me now.
She refused to pick the money. Did I go to the city for my own sake? It was for her own purpose and for her own good. Eh?
Okugamaka, I know you went there for her own good. So I have come for her own good to collect the money from you. So go inside there, bring all that money and give it to me now.
It is not possible. Because I have used the money for something else. We have a lot of problems here. I'm using the money to solve the problem one after the other.
Do I look like a joker? The Rosa you know, the me you know. Do I look as if I'm joking? Go inside there. Get all of it. Did you hear me?
Rosa, why are you disturbing me? Eh? I said I have used it to solve one problem. Rosa, have you forgotten so soon that I am a title holder in this community?
Titled man indeed. And you went and lied. Zaran, you went and lied. If you don't give me that money, I will do to you today what you do not expect.
Rosa,
I'll do something to you.
Rosa,
just give me that
money.
Leave my clothes. Give me that money.
Rosa, there's something I want to tell you, very important. You see, you are the most beautiful woman I've ever seen on the face of earth.
I just realized that now. Because you have my son's money, just realize that overnight. I want that money.
Beautiful women like you are not.
Give me that. Give me that money.
Rosa, look, people are watching.
Give me that money. Give me my.
The neighborhood, they can gossip. Rosa, you are my own wife. Why would
you give me that money?
Like this? Hey, Rosa, you are biting me, Rosa.
Give me that money.
Rosa, easy. Now we will settle this in amicably. We will settle amicably, Rosa. Rosa, I'm a. Rosa,
give me the money.
Hey, Rosa is fighting me.
Give me my money now.
Rosa, what is your problem? I said, calm down. We will settle this in amicably.
Okay. How could you have allowed him again? This time he slept with you unprotected.
He threatened to show my husband the video clip if I don't allow him.
You shouldn't have allowed him.
What do you want me to do, Jennifer? I did it to save my marriage. If my husband sets eyes on that video clip, my marriage is over.
How do you know the so-called video clips is real? You have not seen it with your eyes.
It's all my husband's fault. It's all Dan's fault. If he had listened to me and rented an apartment for Ikenna, all this wouldn't have happened. But no, he won't listen to me.
You don't have to blame him. He's not aware of your affair with Ikenna.
I don't know what to do again for Ikenna to leave me alone? What have I gotten myself into? What did I do to Ikenna? I don't know what to do.
Ikenna has to visit your house. Ikenna, I'm coming for you.
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon, Lizzie. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I'm going to the hospital. I'll pick Junior from school on my way back. Prepare lunch before I return.
Yes, ma.
Come here. So you don't greet? Eh?
You promised her you will leave after everything. I wonder what you're still doing here.
I promised her what?
That you will leave after everything.
You must be very mad. You must be very, very stupid. I see you don't mind your business. Who are you to tell me what to do? Eh?
You think I do not know? I know everything you do in this house.
Come. Are you a monitoring spirit?
You can call me your shadow, or better still, call me whatever you wish to. Leave my madam alone. If you do not leave my madam alone, I will shock you in this house.
You shock me. Wait, you're threatening me. You're threatening me. Ha! Come, Megida, come. Hope you witnessed what happened. House girl is threatening me that she's going to shock me. That she's going to shock me in this house.
Hey, wait this girl, I want to check up for you. I think this girl, I'll be for electric shop. Okay, check up for the girl. Never for me, I go punish him for the girl.
You go punish him?
You are.
Okay, it's alright.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Madam, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
Thank you.
Your result is ready. Congratulations. You are 1 month pregnant.
I am pregnant?
Yes. That is the reason for the morning fever. Are you alright?
Oh yes, doctor, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you.
Congratulations once again.
Okay. I'll be on my way.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay, have a nice day.
You are not happy. I am worried. You are worried. Is it about Ikenna or what? pregnant. I am 1 month pregnant.
Wow, that's good news. Is that the reason why you are worried? You are pregnant for your husband after all these years. Huh? Come on. Be happy.
Jennifer, you don't understand. It's exactly 1 month Ikenna slept with me without protection.
Are you saying the truth?
I am confused. I don't know if my husband is responsible for the pregnancy or Ikenna.
Ikem, what have you gotten yourself into? Oh God, this is not good at all. See, have you told your husband?
I'm just coming back from the hospital.
Don't delay to tell him that you are pregnant for him. Yes.
I can't do that.
Why?
I need to sort myself out first.
How?
What be that? Nyari na make out. Wallahi, madam, you're welcome.
Just
fine lady. Fine. Wallahi, ina son ke.
Hi, Kenda.
Hi.
Yeah, I came to see you.
Okay.
I came to beg you to leave Nkem alone. You understand? Take your things and leave her house and allow her to have peace of mind.
Are you here to warn me or what?
Yes, I'm warning you, Ikenna or whatever your name is. Leave Nkem alone.
Okay. I see a friend. I'm fighting for a friend, right? Did she tell you that she left me to marry another man?
Nkem didn't betray you. After all, you didn't pay any money on her head. Marriage is not by booking.
Normally, I would have resounded your memory, but I don't know, for some reasons, I just feel it's not necessary. So I will advise you carry your big boobs and your fat ass and stay out of this matter.
I will not. I will not. Do you hear me? See, you are so heartless and wicked. You are wicked. This house is not for you, so you have to leave. Are you not ashamed of yourself? How can you be sleeping with your friend's wife under his roof? It's not done. You have to leave. Leave his house.
I still maintain that I will not slap you. I will just let it slide. Muggle.
See, Ikenna, you are mad. Stupid boy.
Yes? What is it?
I came to say hi. I haven't seen you since morning.
Fine. You've said hi. Can you get up now and get out?
This life is actually very funny. Well, I found this.
Where did you get this?
In your handbag.
You searched my handbag?
Well, not really. I was actually searching for something else before I bumped into that. It's interesting that you're actually pregnant.
I'm a married woman, so I'm pregnant for my husband.
For your husband? Funny. You've been with him for over the years now and you are pregnant.
But just last month, we made love without protection. As a result, what does that mean?
Like I said before, I am pregnant for my husband. Can you get up now and get out of my room?
Listen, girl. You should have known now that the man that you think is your husband is not destined to be your husband. I am the one that is destined to be your husband.
Wow. You are a fool. A big one at that. To have harbored such thoughts in your mind. I already have a son for my husband.
And who knows if Dan is a real father to your son? Well, congratulations. We're expecting a baby together.
What is it? What is it, Junior? What is it?
Look at him!
Look at who?
It's Grandpa!
You shut up, Junior. Grandpa is dead. Shut up.
But he's here staring at me! And please take me out of here!
Junior, stop
Junior,
this.
stop it. Which grandpa are you talking about?
Our own!
Junior, please.
Honey, please, take him inside.
Don't listen to Junior. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Take me inside!
Just take him inside.
It's Grandpa.
Come on.
Okay, let's go inside. How can you see Grandpa? Junior, come here. What is wrong with you? How can you see Grandpa?
Hello, Kim. Good morning. What? Ikenna saw the pregnancy result test? Kim, why? Have you told your husband that you are pregnant? What are you still waiting for? Come on, girl. See, the earlier you tell your husband, the better for you. Yes. Okay, it's alright. I'll come and see you later. Take care. Huh? What's this guy looking for in a woman's bag? This guy, Ikenna.
Greetings. The Grandmaster. Greetings, my lord. You're welcome, my lord. Brotherhood of the night. Forever.
Do not be afraid, for I come in peace.
You're welcome, my lord.
Your request has been accepted.
Thank you, my lord.
The soul of your son is demanded of you instead. Our next gathering is at hand. make sure you do not fail to present your sacrifice. Daniel, make sure you do not fail to present your sacrifice.
Brotherhood of night. Brotherhood of night.
You promised to buy me a bicycle. Are you still going to do that?
Yes. Yes, I will.
Thank you, Dad. Yes.
Okay. You go now. Daddy's busy.
Okay. Bye.
Brotherhood of night. Brotherhood of night.
Ujunwa, look at what you're doing to yourself. When you have somebody that is capable to take care of you, to take you to a proper hospital so that you receive a proper treatment. In a chom, Lenia, this leg will be amputated very soon.
Mama, leave it. I'll be fine. When I get money, I'll take myself to the hospital.
Oh, when you get money, when you have your brother that will take care of you, he's ready. Anywhere in this world, abroad, here, he will take care of you.
Mama, please, forget about Daniel. I don't want to have anything to do with him. Just forget about him.
Ujunwa, why do you hate your brother this much?
Mama, Daniel has a question to answer concerning Papa's death. Until he does that, I will never have anything to do with him.
If you must point accusing fingers, it mustn't be at my son. Carry your whole fingers, your 5, your 10 put together, point it at your uncle Odoko. He is responsible for your father's death. In case you don't know that, let me tell you now.
No problem. I don't want to argue anything right now.
Take this money. Oh, it will help you. This leg, they'll be amputated too. It's the game. Take it. Oh.
Mama, keep the money. I don't need it.
Are you rejecting me?
Mama, I don't need the money, knowing fully well that this money comes from Daniel's pocket.
It didn't come from the pocket. You see where it came from? It came from my purse. So take it. Oh, one.
Mama, biko jidi acharum. I don't need it.
No problem. That's no problem. I'm going to tell the world how you rejected me, your mother. So what?
Mama, it's not like that. I did not reject you. I only rejected the money, not you. I can never reject you.
It was me that gave you the money. It's not Daniel. So you rejected me. You didn't reject the money, but you rejected me. But, all right, rice.
So you're leaving now?
No, I'll come and lie down.
This is not right now. Eh? Oh, that boy is evil.
When temptation comes, they will not know. If ever full of young can a man the I said, I pull me out to have fun. Not the mama. He got money from my trouble. Double wahala behind me, set up. I did when I just see double wahala. He got money from my trouble. I put it on behind me, set up. I did when I just double wahala. makanina fusa. Abura makonya burisi memma no bugo. Isi adira mama.
You want to kill my son?
I will kill this boy unless you tell me who he is.
He is my son and I will not allow you to kill him.
Watch and
kill
see.
my son. Let me have my son.
What is it?
It was a dream. Your uncle, he wanted to kill my son.
My uncle?
Yes, he was holding a knife and he wanted to stab my son. Hey, God, you will not allow anything to happen to my son. Heavenly Father, my son will not die. Any weapon fashioned against my son will go back to sender in the name of Jesus. I rebuke Uncle Oduko. I rebuke him. I rebuke any evil witches and wizards against my son. It shall not come to pass. It shall not prosper. My son will not die. My son will not die. Any evil witches and wizards, anywhere they are, I don't want to know. You are the God above all gods. Father, King of glory, come and be with my son. Come and protect him. His food, his drinks, is going and coming back, oh Lord. Nothing will happen to my son. Nothing will happen to my son. Nothing will happen to my son. My son will stay alive to testify your glory, your goodness in his life in the name of Jesus.
Double wahala behind me, Satan. See double wahala for the behind me, Satan. The double wahala behind me, Satan.
Can't you greet?
Good morning.
Who was this food?
My Oga.
Okay, get mine ready. I'm very hungry.
Breakfast is not yet ready. I prepared this one for my Oga because he's leaving very early.
Get my breakfast ready in 20 minutes.
Get my breakfast. Here? So bless you. This time. I should prepare your breakfast. Come and eat food.
Double wahala behind me, Satan. See double wahala for the behind me, Satan. The double wahala behind me, Satan. Makanina fusa Abura makonya burisi memma no bugo Isi adira mama Isi Eba na cho progressive, ana chuego, kandi kipenwo. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi, como baisi jini nada akafa. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi, como baisi jini nada akafa. Akweba na.
How are you? Okay.
How was the night?
Yeah, very good. This one you're eating this early.
Yeah, I want to rush somewhere this morning. Come on, join me.
No, I'm fine. I'm fasting.
Sure?
Yes.
Well, that's nice. Lizzie. Yeah, get me water, please. Hi. You're not hungry?
No. I'm fasting. 6 to 6.
That's nice.
Eba na cho progressive, ana chuego, kandi kipenwo. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi, como baisi jini nada akafa. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi, como baisi jini nada akafa. Akweba na chego akunku wa kwelisi, como baisi jini nada akafa. Double wahala, madi kwamba trouble, bia kutelegi one. Double wahala, behind me Satan. Adikwa na jam. See double wahala, madi kwamba trouble, for the legon one. Behind me Satan. Adikwa na jam. Double wahala, madi kwamba trouble, bia kutelegi one. Double trouble, behind me Satan. Adikwa na jam.
Why are you following me about? Huh? Why are you following me about? Are you that jobless? Don't you have any other thing to do? Why are you following me? Okay. I see you want to know what I can do, right?
Don't touch me.
No, you want to know what I'm capable of doing.
Don't touch me.
Why are you... What this girl into you? Why are you following me? Why can't you mind your business in this house?
It's none of your business.
Oh. It's none of my business. So you following me is none of my business. What you want also?
Are you afraid?
Am I afraid? Why am I afraid of you? Why am I afraid of you? Eh? If you know your mother didn't give birth to you properly, if I make a move, follow me. No, if you want to know who is afraid and who's not, just follow me.
When temptation comes, then we not know. If ever full of piangum, they bujiria. Kana manule, ne kwawa. Asira pulumia to after, not the mama. Iga madi pamba trouble, they put anyone. Double wahala.
So, did anything happen?
Are you expecting any news?
No, I just want to know if anyone is feeling sick or something.
You are highly expecting the news about his death.
What are you talking about?
Don't pretend as if you do not know. The moment I saw how desperate you were about my madam, I knew something like this will happen someday. Well, I saw what you did, so I changed the poisoned food. I would have served you the meal so you die of your own stupidity.
You did what? Strangle you here.
Ikenna! Ikenna! Stop it! I said stop it! Ikenna, what has come over you? Do you want to strangle my maid?
I've decided to take the bull by the horn and take what rightfully belongs to me. Tell her to mind her business, because the next one will be disastrous.
Rosa, my wife. You're welcome.
Who is your wife, me? I have come to warn you again. Stay away from us. Oduko, stay away from us.
You came to warn me?
Yes.
What did I do?
Oh, look at the way you sound as if you don't know. What did I do? Meanwhile, you're a very wicked person. Daniel's wife just called me and narrated to me how you nearly killed her son in a dream last night. You again. You again. You.
Muaboduko wanted to kill Nkem's son in a dream?
Look at your face.
Hey.
I have come to warn you. All your pretenses will not save you. It will not save you. I have come to tell you that all your evil intentions, all your evil manipulations, they have all been exposed. We have seen it. Rosa. And anything exposed is destroyed.
Rosa, I have nothing to do with Nkem's dream. Eh? Why would I want to kill a son, an innocent child like Junior? For what?
Question and answer session. If you ask yourself, you answer that question. You're in a better position to answer because you are the one attacking us in our dreams. We are lying down peacefully in our house, but you will not sleep in your own house. You just go there and meander in our dreams.
Rosa, look at my armpit. There is nothing hidden there.
Yes, mine is full with whatever you think. Leave us alone. Next time I come here, I think I'm going to use whatever I say here to kill you. Because you deserve to die. You that is moving in the night and will not let us be, that is the answer. I won't come again. One beating, one shy. I won't come again.
Hey, what have I done to this old man? That every time she comes here, she must be telling me of one dangerous dream or another. Eh? Hey, my pot of soup, bro.
So it has gotten to the extent of trying to poison my husband. I bet you can. You're not going to get away with this.
So what are you going to do about it? Report me to your husband or get me arrested?
I'll do it all. Report it to my husband. He will get you arrested.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Go ahead. Maybe that will change everything.
If it's about the video clip, forget it, sweetheart. I'm no longer afraid. You can go to hell and burn to ashes with it. I don't care.
Wow. How brazen. Sounds interesting. I'm beginning to enjoy your guts.
Your days are numbered in this house.
Like the sound of that. The game is about to get started. Let's play this shit real well and real quick.
Hey babe, how are you?
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
He's so handsome.
Yeah, he is.
Sweetie, don't you think that your friend has overstayed his welcome in this house?
Has he?
Oh yes, he has. I am no longer comfortable with his stay in our house.
Did he do anything?
Of course. I've caught him severally with Lizzie. I don't want him to get her pregnant.
You mean he's sleeping with Lizzie, my maid?
Not sleeping. I'm just trying to, but...
See, let me tell you something. You have to caution Lizzie. If she is seducing Ikenna, then tell her to stop. Because I know Ikenna, my friend. He doesn't have time for women.
Sweetie, can you listen to yourself? You trust this your Ikenna so much. I mean, you are too optimistic about him. To you, he's a saint.
Ikenna is my friend for a very long time now. I know him more than you do.
Just get him out of our house. I'm not comfortable in here.
See? Tell Lizzie to stop seducing him.
Lizzie is a fine girl. He's the one going after Lizzie.
Tell her to stop seducing him. Just this night, everything will be over. What's up, man?
No, I'm here.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Smiles on your face. You came over.
Sorry, are you busy? I want to have a word with you.
Oh, come on, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, let me get the chair. I mean, I don't know how to thank you. You've taken me as a brother. You've been very caring. I mean, thank you so much, my brother.
You can't know what our friends for. It's okay.
I know we're friends, but the bottom line is you can't keep giving me. I have to go out there, hustle like a man. And that is why you're in the picture. At least I have a friend that has made it very well. You just show me the way. Hook me up.
Kina, what do you mean by I should hook you up?
My brother, stop pretending now. You understand what I'm talking about? I've been telling you this. Connect me. Just show me the way. I will go out there and hustle. I'm not comfortable with if I want 10,000, you give me. If I want 20,000, 50,000. I mean, I'm a man. Just show me the way. Let me go out there and hustle like a man.
You can I see all that glitters is not gold. Can I advise that you face your traveling arrangement?
My brother, I've long time cancelled the traveling. I don't want to go again. I mean, what's the point of me traveling abroad, going out there to toil when the money is here? There's money in this country. Show me the way. Come not there about Dikeh. I've been telling you now, my brother. Reason with me now. But it's okay if you say you don't want to tell me. If they want to show me the way, no problems. you enjoy the way I always come to you to ask you for money. No problems. But I won't ask you again. It's alright.
Okay, now all that glitters are not gold. Is he really angry with me? Begin in my water. In my water, cha. My water, no, the reason.
Brotherhood of blood. Oh, brotherhood of blood.
The spirit controls the physical.
Before we go on the activities we have tonight, I call on Abegon Kitty to present his sacrifice of loyalty to the brotherhood. Oh, brotherhood of night. Oh, brotherhood of night. Oh, brotherhood of night.
The spirit controls the physical.
Daniel, what is the name of your son?
His name is Junior Daniel.
Junior! 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 Appear! Appear! Daniel. Whose son is this?
He's my son.
How dare you lie before the great Lord, or Brotherhood of Night?
Grandmaster, you're not lying. He is my son.
No!
Ugo here can bear me witness.
Daniel, he is not your son. The blood of another man runs in his vein.
This is my son.
Daniel, do not argue with me. Do not argue with me. Daniel, you have failed the second time. If you dare fail the third time, Daniel, you will face the consequences. Daniel, You will not be warned again. You will not be warned again.
Ugo, what was in wrong with me? Oh, is he not my son?
Oh, brotherhood of night.
You show me love. Come with my running for a monanya. You give me gift. Come with a fuzia big. You show me care. Come with my running for a monanya. You give me everything. Come with a fuzia big. But why this secret? Why all these things? You promised to love me.
Okay, now what is it?
Now that you are awake, can we talk? Can we have heart-to-heart conversation?
Okay, now please, I don't have your time this night. Please. I'm not ready for your troubles.
Well, I'm not here for troubles. I just want us to have heart-to-heart conversation, like I said. You were pregnant for me. 2 months pregnant for me before I traveled. Something tells me that I have a child somewhere.
What nonsense are you talking about? Did I tell you that I have a child for you?
No, you don't need to tell me. I have this strong feeling that you never get rid of the pregnancy.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. You see, I've been very busy lately making inquiries. And I found out that you met your husband, my friend Daniel, a month. I traveled. And on that same month, you guys got engaged and got married. Now, you got married to him to cover up for the unwanted pregnancy. Are you surprised?
Sorry to bust your bubble. My husband, Daniel, got me pregnant the same month that we got married.
Well, you deceived the young man because he wasn't calculative enough. Now, how would you feel when he finds out the whole truth? So these days you don't knock before opening my door, right?
What did you tell my husband?
I did not tell your husband anything.
You're a liar. You are a liar.
Hey, that is a rough play.
I'm ready to end it all if you don't start talking.
What are you talking about?
Shut up! Since you're bent on ruining my life, I will kill you and kill myself.
No, listen. Can you please step back? Let me understand what you're talking about. I did not tell your husband anything. Don't you listen? Can you please move back? I don't like what you're doing.
Shut up, I call the shots here. Shut up!
Can you please put the knife away?
I will not put the knife away. I have warned you since you stepped into this house. But you refuse to listen. Now you have told my husband everything and told him to go for DNA.
Hey! Can you just step back? I will answer you. Please, go back. Take a chill pill. Just go back.